Magic 89.9.
Hello.
Ayan.
Yay!
Yay,
Ayun,
we're
sir. Parang dito, sir.
Hindi. Sila yun sa likod. Wala
Ay,
kang
sorry.
kasalanan.
Sige, sige.
Hindi, ikaw lang. But all good, all good. How are you? What's the mood for today? Alam kong may bagyo ngayon, pero parang nagsakto na maganda ang panahon for you eh. Wow!
Mood po ngayon, pag-ibig.
Yes! It is a special day, no?
Yes po.
Makikiselebrate ako. Pwede mo
please.
makikain?
Wala po, sir eh. Kahit alam ko po na mamaya na po i-release yung What We Love, yung bago ko pong kanta. Pero sa mismong time na i-release siya, dun din po ako yung time ng departure ko. Papuntang London
Oh my
po.
gosh, oo nga. Dire-diretso ka today.
Yes po, yay!
What time is your flight? If okay lang, hindi na makita hanap.
As in, exactong
Actually-
9 p.m.
So saktong when the music releases,
Yes po.
you're in the air.
Yes po.
And then you'll see the reception of everyone when they get to listen to it as soon as you land pa lang.
Yes po.
So may konting kababa or like excitement din?
More like excitement po. Tsaka yung kaba, sir, hindi talaga yung mawawala, sir.
Ito nga ngayon, kinakabahan
Kanina
ka pa
nga
rin.
po, nakita nyo nga po, nginig na nga po ako.
But that's okay. Okay, let's go down with the questions.
Apo.
People know you, of course, from PBB.
Yes po.
Kilalang-kilala yung character mo. And then you became, I would say, a supermodel and then an artist at that as well. With your hit like Ama Ka Bugera. And I wanted to know, like, may onting shift na ito, to some of your music na I wouldn't say less energetic, but still my siya, diba? I wanted to know, like, what was your headspace going through the different phases of your songs?
Sa akin po kasi, sir, magte-10 years na kasi ako sa industry, sir. So, yung
Oh my God,
paglabas ko
oo
mismo
nga.
sa PBB, nag-focus muna ako sa acting. Ngayon po, kahit nag-focus po ako sa acting, paunti-unti, naggagawa din po ako ng musika.
Mm-mm.
So, kahit sa PBB pa lang po, sir, yung mga nagagawa ko ay mga pop rock songs.
Yeah.
Mga punk version na.
Oo.
Pero, alam ko sa sarili ko na marami pa akong dapat matutunan. So, after ng acting era ko po, yung nag-focus na ako sa music, sinabi ko po mismo sa label ko, please guide me. So, kung ano yung sa tingin yung vision sa akin.
Let's do it together, ganun.
Susundin
Oo.
ko. Tapos, sa bawat genre, sa bawat version na gusto nyong gawin sa akin, sisiguraduhin ko na meron akong matutunan para kapag buo na yung knowledge ko,
Tuloy-tuloy na yan.
Tuloy-tuloy
Ganun
na yan.
Wala ka na kailangan. Hindi ka na magiging kabado.
Yes,
The next
sir.
time that you're here, you're gonna be like, "Ay, kaya ko na to."
opo sir, parang ganun talaga sir. Kailangan talaga you need then people to support you talaga. And
Genuinely, oo.
Genuinely, and to really help you din po to find your own path.
But it's surprising. You've mentioned, ngayon ko lang din na-realize, almost 10 years. By next year, halos talagang...
Yes.
Oo. And you say na kinakabahan ka pa rin. But you're no stranger to the camera, literally. Like, you've
Mama.
gone to...
Si mama.
Gets ko.
Mama pa rin. 29 years old. Oh, mama.
Oo, ako rin. Parang feel ko kahit 40 na ako. Parang tatawag pa rin ako sa ano ko. But you've gone through international stages as well. And
Wow.
you've walked many shoes as well. And I wanted to ask, like, how have these experiences changed your perspective as an artist throughout these almost 10 years?
To be honest po, sir, whether it's international or local po, I really treat that stage po as a privilege po to represent my music, to be able to share my music po, and to be able to connect with people through my music po. So, hindi ko siya naisip yung mga international stage po. Kasi hanggat maaari, every time na sumasampa po ako sa entablado, sinisigurado ko sa sarili ko kung ano pa yung dapat kong i-improve.
Yeah.
So, perspective ko po ngayon, siguro po na yung mga bagay na hindi ko po makontrol, lalo na po sa kung ano yung
Ibibigay sa'yo ng mundo or something, yeah.
kung ano yung standard mismo po ng, lalo na po sa social media. Bale, mas nagpo-focus pa ako kung ano po yung mga bagay na nakokontrol ko at kung sino ako and being true to myself po.
Just let things be, but kung may mga control ka, yun lang yung pag-work, you'll work on those things lang. Ganun.
Yes po, especially sa music ko po. Kumbaga, lahat ng musika po na gagawin ko, sinisigurado ko nanggagaling siya sa puso ko. Kasi at the end of the day po,
It's nighttime.
yung mga listeners, hindi naman talaga nila alam kung ano yung gusto nilang pakinggan eh. If it's a good music, it's a good music.
Yung nararamdaman nila, if they like it, they'll stick with it.
Yes po.
And since you mentioned it came from the heart, this song of yours na i-release tonight, it's called What We Love. It's really personal for you, right?
Yes
And
po.
meron akong, today ko lang, literally seconds before we started the interview, nalaman ko lang. And I want you, my mind, to tell me all about this song of yours, What We Love. What is it about and how long has it been in the shelves, in the books, in the journal, ganon?
This song has been in the shelves for like 4 years.
Wow. 4 years! Ang hirap, like,
Sir, buti na lang sinabi mo shelves. Kasi sasabihin ko sana cabinet.
Ganun din.
Ganun din ba?
Ang shelves kasi walang pinto. So yung sa'yo,
But at least mas
may-
social, di ba? Shelves. Wow. Kasi, alam naman, our shelves, your shelves. At least ngayon naiintindihan ko, mas klaro ba?
Oo.
But
Na nandun lang
anyways.
siya. Ganon. Okay. So,
But anyways po, nasimulan ko pong sulatin yung What We Love noong 2022 December po. Tapos with the help of the AMI family, like yung sila Nico, other writers na si Trisha, tsaka si
Yeah.
Mr. Greg, at tsaka
Oo.
isa sa mga producer din, si Shin, nakumpleto po yung What We Love noong 2023 ng April.
wow, so almost like 4 or 5 months lang
Yes
after
po, tapos nirecord
pagkasulat.
din namin siya pagkatapos mismo naming nabuo. So, matagal na po talaga siya doon. Ngayon, ang tanong kung kailan namin siya
I-release.
i-release. So, para sa akin po, God's timing po talaga. Kasi yung What We Love is about choosing someone every day. To love someone every day. Yung pagmamahal po na tahimik pero sigurado.
Oo.
Yung pagmamahal na hindi lang po puro salita, kundi pipiliin ka at mamahalin ka araw-araw. Yung pagmamahal po na gusto ikaw lang makasama habang buhay.
Grabe ang hugot mo. Sige, isa pa. Yung love na pipiliin ka despite it all. Ganon.
Yes po. So parang sabi ko, wow, God's timing. Kasi feeling ko, nung ngayon po, may hopefully yung pinagpipray ko po ng matagal na po ay dumating na nga po sa buhay ko po. Parang it's also parang feeling ko ito yung God's timing na I can also share it what I've been experiencing right now po, yung pagmamahal ng full of kindness, pasensya, yung pagmamahal na constant, at yung hindi itatanong ko ano yung worth mo.
Oo. This is the kind of love na alam mo yun, nafe-feel mo talaga siya ng walang kapalit, walang ano.
Yes
It's
po.
really something that's so genuine. And,
Yes po.
like, you know, as a Christian
It is
din-
possible pala
Oo.
with the right
Oo.
person.
And you know, ako kasi Christian din ako. I would compare it to like what is the kind of love that God would give me. Kung yun yung nararamdaman ko sa partner ko, it's something na it's so out of this world talaga. And kakaiba yung feeling.
Diba?
Literal, I feel like ikaw nagkaroon ka ng mga gabi, syempre patulog ka na, so biglang hindi ka makatulog. And then naluha ka na lang kasi parang, wow God, what did I do to deserve this kind of love,
Totoo,
diba?
sir.
Nakala mo, akala ko kay God ko lang ma-receive, and then biglang may plan siya for you na
Yes, sir.
talagang
Totoo yan.
hindi mo in-expected, diba?
Totoo yan. Kasi nasanay ako na yung love is chaos ba? Yung magulo.
Oo, parang sa hirap at ginhawa, pero puro hirap na lang.
Totoo po yan. Pero yun, nanggagaling dahil dun sa binigay na love ng Panginoon sa akin na very unconditional. Sobrang madali na din sa akin ma-discern kung ano yung totoong pagmamahal.
Okay, now that we mentioned that this was God's timing, no, the perfect timing, if it's okay for you to share, why specifically now talaga yung time na i-release ang music na ito?
Kagaya ng sinabi ko po, sir, hanggat maaari gusto ko totoo ako sa sarili ko. Alangan naman po na yung panahon na healing pa tayo, tsaka tayo, di ba? Parang, nagkukunwari tayong masaya.
So this time is like this specific July 9, 2026 is such a pivotal moment of your life.
Yes po.
Na talagang a new chapter for you then. Talagang mas buo ka, ganon.
Yes po.
Wow.
Masasabi ko po na parang mas buo din yung courage ko to share this music po with full of love po.
Okay.
Nag-heal pa rin naman po ako but hindi na siya nagbi-bleeding.
Okay, gets. Para siyang alam mo yung pagka nasugatan tayo tapos nanigas yung dugo, diba? Ganon.
Yes
So
po.
hindi na siya sugat pa rin siya
Hindi na
pero
siya dumudugo.
hindi na siya dumudugo. Galing. Pwede na akong mag-doktor nito. Okay. Ito, quick question kasi we're on the topic of love and dumayo lang sa utak ko. So for you, do you think na love is a feeling or love is a choice?
Love is a choice po, talaga. Yun nga po yung ibig sabihin din ng what we love po.
Yung pinaka-message niya.
Yung pinaka-message niya po, gusto ko talaga i-share na yung love is a daily action po. Hindi lang siya feelings talaga. It's one of my ways po to choosing someone every day is to always go back to what we love.
Yung the whys,
The
of it.
wise, exactly.
Kasi pwede, may days naman na malungkot tayo or galit
Yes
tayo
po.
pero hindi natin ina-allow yun to define
Totoo.
our relationships.
Paano pag nakita mo na yung flaws niya, yung imperfections niya, would you still like love
Pipiliin
him?
mo pa rin ba?
Pipiliin mo pa rin ba?
Oo.
Kahit nawala na yung fantasy sa kung
Yeah.
sino siya.
Fantasy,
Di
oo
ba
nga.
po?
Yung puro puro sunshines and rainbows tapos na nakita mong umulan lang bigla. Paano na ganon?
Paano na ganon?
But people tend to forget na rainbows exist because of rains, di ba? Ganun
Wow,
ba?
ganda nun.
Oo,
Ganda
naisip ko lang ngayon Thank you.
Parang si God, di ba po?
Oo,
We're
actually.
not always be faithful to Him, but He
Nandiyan siya,
remains faithful to us. Even if we're not
nakaabang
perfect.
lang talaga and ready
Yes
to
po.
accept us open arms.
Yes po.
Okay, you've won awards for massive pop anthems and you've made so many viral hits. And right now, the OPM scene is growing and growing and growing. And I would consider you as like one of the 4 front runners of it then
Wow.
with a lot of hit tracks. Siguro ito yung point in time with almost 10 years. A lot of people look up to you as well. What advice would you give for up and coming Filipino and Filipina artists as well who want to make music based on yung feelings din nila about
po.
love?
Siguro po, ma-advise ko po sa kanila is to embrace themselves po. Do not lose what makes you unique. It's okay po na to be inspired sa other artists. But for me, your own identity is your strength talaga. And being authentic. Ako, naniniwala po ako being true to yourself po that what makes your music going farther and farther and kabugera.
Yes, tama. Oo. So talagang hindi naman sa but less people pleasing and more do it for you.
Yes
do it
po.
for you and do it for God and do it for your family then.
Yes po,
Or never
opo.
lose sight of any of your whys. Ganon. Oo.
Yes po. And also po, kapag meron kang gusto i-release na song, do not think na yung focus mo lang dapat mag-viral to.
Oo.
Para naman sa akin, being authentic is better than being trending. Tapos, isa din po, super blessed na po ako if my music connects to people. So that's what makes it important for me po.
It's an entirely different feeling na yung personal emotions mo that you poured to your music
Yes
is
po.
what other people relate to then.
Yes po.
It's a certain kind of connection
Yes
talaga
po.
that would transcend millions and millions and millions of views.
Yes po.
Iba yung, I feel like baka may nagsasend sa'yo ng DMs minsan sa saying na I loved your music talagang this healed me throughout a certain point in my life.
Yes po.
And I think that outweighs everything.
Thank you, sir. Kasi meron din po akong nirelease na kanta 4 months ago or 5 months ago, Masunog Man.
Sunog man.
So ito po yung music ko na ito po is to make people feel not alone. Kasi ito po yung kanta na dinidedicate ko dun sa mom ko that just passed away last year. So, kumbaga yung feeling na alam mong mawawala siya kasi yung reason why she passed away is because of cancer. So yung alam mong mawawala siya, that feeling is parang nasusunog man. So parang gusto ko na hindi sila nag-iisa kapag feeling nila nasusunog na sila inside.
Yeah.
Kasi nagmahal ka lang naman.
Oh, I completely get that. Ako, last year din yung sa lola ko, yung ganon, yung sometimes we tend to like, yung pagmamahal natin, diba? And we sometimes start to doubt when we lose our loved ones. Parang, para saan pa ba to lahat? Ganon, may direction pa ba? But oftentimes what we also need is to, remember ourselves then. Ganon. Oh, deep. Ganyan. But you know what? It is, I love talking with you, but I'm so
Thank
sad
you
tuloy
po.
na we're pressed with time. But hey,
Ay, talaga?
Oo, pwede man off air. But right now, sige, inom ka muna ng tubig. Right now, My will be performing her song. Is this the first time you'll be performing it live?
Meron meron po akong ginawang intimate for my my family, my love. So,
okay.
in-invite ko po sila to listen my music before it will be released po.
Tonight. Okay. Well, right now, for those who are listening on air and also on kick.com/magic899tv. Also on Facebook. We're live on Facebook. That is at Magic899, of course. My will now be singing her new song, What We Love, which will be released tonight. Here on today's Best Music, we are Magic 89.9. Today's Best Music, Magic 89.9. My with a song called What We Love. Sorry dun sa kanina. I forgot to press a button, but you nailed it so much. And I want to know, are you high in emotions performing this all the time? Kasi come to think of it, it's been 4 years since it was in the shelves, in the cabinet, in the closet, sa aparador.
Yes po.
And now it's here, and I think I'll play this always on here once we get the
Thank you, sir.
file.
Thank you,
But
sir.
how do you feel? How are you feeling right now?
Relief po. Kasi, kung not-perform ko na to, very intimate with my loves, mas intimate po ito. Kasi ilan lang po kayo.
Oo nga. Parang dami na nahiro. Tapos dito parang wala pa tayo 10 dito inside the booth. But your emotions were there and I really
Thank
loved
you
it.
po.
It was so beautiful. And the people over on Kick as well are loving it as well. Okay. Now is the time for you to promote your music, where people can find you and where they can stream What We Love.
Yay! Hello po everyone sa lahat po nakikinig ngayon. What We Love po ay magre-release na po siya ngayong gabi na po, 9 p.m. Pati din po yung music video at available po siya sa lahat ng streaming platforms worldwide.
Thank you so much, My. For those who missed out on the interview, very malaman na interview. We're talking about love and the essence of it and the whys of it. The replay is up on Facebook and it'll be uploaded, I think, on YouTube as well. That is at Magic899TV. Thank you so much, My. And to everyone else, I'll be leaving you with something from BTS. It's called Swim, the alternative version here on today's Best Music. We're Magic 89.9.